Ever notice how a single yawn can ripple through a room? Yawning isn't just a sign of tiredness, it's a powerful social signal. When you see someone yawn, your brain's empathy circuits light up, making you more likely to yawn too. This contagious effect strengthens social bonds, showing you're tuned in to those around you. But that's not all. Scientists have discovered that yawning helps cool your brain, like a built-in air conditioner, keeping your mind sharp and alert. Next time you catch a yawn, remember, it's your body's way of connecting and cooling.